Hey guys, what's up? It is JT. Welcome back to JT's channel, and today we're gonna be talking about my brand new and sexy, very sexy iPhone 8 Plus product red edition. And you're like, JT, what took you so long to do this? But like, here's the thing. I was going to make the video last week, but girl, I had work, so I couldn't really do that. But now I don't have any work anymore because I left that beach because I was being enslaved there. So we're going to be talking about my new iPhone 8. We're not going to unbox it because I'm using the iPhone as my camera. If I had a Canon camera, bitch, I would have literally unboxed the camera, the phone for you. And we'll make this a day. So let's get started. This folks, is the iPhone 8 Plus product red, and it's very sexy, just like some Americans. And literally, what's in it is literally priceless. It says designed by Apple in California. And in this insert, you get a nice little red pamphlet that says product red, and on the back it says, in partnership with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of your iPhone purchase to the Global Fund to support HIV/AIDS programs to help deliver an AIDS-free generation. Learn more on red.org. And another insert, it literally gives you the welcome to iPhone. So for newbies who haven't used iPhones, they've talked about 3D touch, assistive touch, and a lot of things. And this beach. Oh, why are you not going in? You know what? Oh. And the other inserts, literally SIM ejector. That's literally for those who have an unlocked iPhone, which I bought this iPhone for $730 with the trade-in of my iPhone SE. Y'all bitch. And last but not least, this. You got the product handling, and you got the 2 Apple stickers that you can stick to the back of your vehicle. Beautiful, right? Let's put these all back. Ah. And like, I'll show you in a little mini snippet video of the iPhone, what it looks like on camera with flash on. You see how beautiful the product red iPhone 8 is. Because I feel like you should see how beautiful the iPhone 8 is, and like, y'all same. So everything's plays back to normal, and bitch, this big ass wrap that literally wraps around the entire body so that it protects you against everything. And then you have the headphone jack with the headphone connector on the back that had the port for the iPhone 7 and above devices, 7 Plus, 8 Plus, 10, whatever, and such. And then you have the adapter, which I already am using. Well, it's not finesse my adapter, but we're not gonna talk about that. That's why I wirelessly charge my iPhone, because I feel like it's cute, everything. But the iPhone itself is a great quality. I take really good pictures in it, and I'll show you some pictures in the video too. But very good pictures in portrait. I feel like this iPhone is a great buy for those who don't want a skinnier, smaller phone like the 10 and more costly like the 10. And those who are in a budget range of less than $1,000 like the fucking 10. You should get the 8 Plus, because I feel like the 8 Plus would be cute for you. But if you're not a biggie, you should stick to the 8. And if you want wireless charging, get the 8 or 8 Plus. If you want waterproof, well, 7 can handle it, but 8 is sexier. More battery life, they're the same device, so basically 7, 8. If you want this great camera quality, you can both get the 8 Plus and the 10. They're still the same damn phone. It's just that the 10 does not have Touch ID, so you have to use Face ID, which uses the same damn camera on the 8 Plus, yet 8 Plus doesn't call it a true depth camera, unlike the 10. And the 10, besides, if you crack your 10 and you mess up the true depth camera, it disables your facial identification software. So, well, there goes your phone. So I suggest you, in case your iPhone, like I do, I got spec that guarantees me 8-foot drop protection and everything. And in case my iPhone looks ratchet or dirty, I can just clean it with water, and that water will literally be amazing. And these phones are amazing for those who like to take a shower so much. Like, you take a shower with the music, girl, it works really well. Audio quality, amazing. It's literally like many Bluetooth speakers in your bath. Girl, that's like heaven. Everything you want in package, this iPhone will give you it. And there goes my friend review, because like Apple is very sexy, and like I want more phones like this hoe. So there goes my YouTube video, and I just want to give you some beautiful iPhone tea before I start to release some new tea and show you where my new camera is going from now. If you can't see me sexier, I will increase lighting one day, but not today. So yeah, I hope y'all have a good day, and I'll see y'all in my next oh.
That's it, I'm crazy.